Alright guys, thank you for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money online in Nigeria as a teenager. But guys, before we dive straight into the video, so I want you to do a few things for me. I'm King Obina, and in this channel I talk about tech, blogging, and how to make money online. So guys, I want you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and if you're subscribed, thank you for coming back to enjoy more content from me, guys. So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to be telling you how to make money online in Nigeria as a teenager, or even if you're not more a teenager, as an adult, you can also make money online in this way, which I'm going to show you in today's video. So guys, I'm going to be showing you two great platforms where you can earn money by performing simple tasks. Guys, all you need to do is to have a smartphone and you're good to go. So the very first site is mymicrojobs.com, guys. So in this platform, like it's been stated here, #1 marketplace for micro jobs in Nigeria. So now let's look at what this platform is all about. So guys, as you can see here, it says fast and easy way to post and do jobs. Welcome to my micro jobs site. We turn your free time into money. Post jobs and get success. Do job and earn money. Why not sign up now? It's free. How it works now, let's look at how this platform works, guys. So what workers can do: register for free and log in. Select jobs or tasks you can do. Complete the task, send required proof to the employee, and get paid. And you as an employer, you can do and benefit as well. Need help getting something done? Start a new campaign and hire workers, reviews and approve tasks successfully and easy. You enjoy low cost tasks, receive proof of the work done, exposure to your business or social media pages, and much more, guys. So look at the latest micro jobs in this platform now. As you currently see, this person says here, you can post this thing on your WhatsApp status and get 10 naira. You can download this app and register and get 20 naira. You can follow this social media handle and get 5 naira. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to log in into my account to show you, because I've been able to test out this platform, and before showing you guys this platform now, I've been able to test it out and confirm that it's really working and it's not all this scam stuff. So guys, this platform is really good. So I'm going to click on get started now to log into my account to show you everything you need to know, and to prove that this platform is legit, guys. So I'm logging into my account now. Let's see. So guys, I've logged into my account. As you can see, I've been able to earn 115 naira just by completing 15 jobs, guys. So I've been on this platform for a little time now, and I've been able to earn 115 naira for completing simple tasks. So let's look at some of the tasks that I have completed, and so that you can see for yourself. So look at the tasks I've completed. As you can see, this guy have paid me, these ones have paid me, and I have only one pending payment. So this platform is really good. So let's look at I've been able to also withdraw. So let's look at the very possible ways in which you can withdraw. So in this platform, you can withdraw your earnings in two methods, and the first method is withdrawing through bank transfer. So you can get your money transferred directly to your bank account, or you can also withdraw your earnings as an airtime. So guys, I've also tried this platform. Now I've withdrawn my earning through airtime, and the truth is that this airtime was sent to me directly into my phone. So let's look at the payment history, so that you can see that I've been paid this airtime. Look at it now. Airtime purchase 100 naira. This was when I was testing it out, and guys, the processing hour is 24 hours. The processing time is 24 hours, and status approved. This airtime has been sent into my phone, and I received the airtime. So before I showed you this platform, I made sure that it's legit, and everything you need to know is on this platform. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below right now, so you can sign up to this platform using that link. And guys, all you need to do is just come to this place, click on jobs after signing up, and you get all the jobs that you can perform at that particular moment and earn money. As you can see, there are lots of jobs here right now. The very first one here says follow for 5 naira, and when you follow whatever, let's click on it right now to see all we are asked to follow, and the processes. So as you see here, it says go to the Instagram post follow page. So when you click on this link, it's gonna take you directly to Instagram, and if you follow this page, and before you perform any task, I forgot to tell you, you must come to this place and read the instruction. Guys, read the instruction, what the employer wants you to do, and follow the instruction as he or she has said it here. So as you can see, he said no new and fake accounts not allowed. Your account must have a profile picture. Do not send message to people that you are from my microjobs. Do not delete, unfollow or cancel tags you have been paid for. Your account will be terminated. So guys, follow this instructions. So when you are through with the tags, when you follow the page, all you need to do is to send a screenshot, upload the screenshot here, and click on completed tags, guys. So after review, after the tax owner, the person that created the tax, has reviewed your work, he or she is going to approve your payment, and your money will be sent to your dashboard, and you can collect your payment through bank transfer. The money can be wired straight to your bank account, or you use the money to buy or purchase airtime for yourself. So guys, that's it about mymicrojobs.com. So we have another platform where you can also do similar work, which is performing tasks like this and earn in dollars. Guys, you're going to earn this money in dollars, and the name of that website is picoworkers.com. and Pico Workers here, as you can see on the platform, it says small gigs big results. Small gigs, big results. So business owners, this is what business owners can do. Now freelancers, now this is probably what you want to do. You want to take a survey, write an honest review, test an app, write an article, perform simple tasks and get paid. So Pico Worker is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Businesses who need other people to help them to support their work come to Pico Workers. Here they can hire workers for easy and quick jobs, guys. So I'm going to log in straight to my account right now. So if you don't have an account, I leave a link in the description below. Sign up using that link, guys, to sign up, and so I'm going to log into my account right now to show you what the platform really is. So guys, so these are the jobs available. I've logged into my account now. These are the jobs available for you to do now. As you can see, make one post, that is website, make one post plus one link, and the payment of the amount of this tax is 12 cents, guys. So in this platform they pay you in dollars, and once you have more than $5 in your account, you can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, and your money will be directly sent to your PayPal account. So if you don't know how to create a PayPal account, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be dropping how to create a PayPal account very, very soon. I mean, that video is coming out very, very soon. So if you don't subscribe to this channel, I don't think you're gonna see that video. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button as well. So if you're enjoying this video, I want you to give this video a thumbs up. So in this platform now, I've showed you can earn money just by performing simple tasks. As you can see, there are loads of jobs here, loads of jobs to perform here. I'm still scrolling down, and you can see there are loads of jobs you can do here and get paid. So as you can see, this one said YouTube, create an account. So you can just create a YouTube account for this client, simple way, just sign up or sign in, and get 11 cents for yourself, guys. So you have to follow the instructions. Like I said, don't come to this platform to scam or spam anybody. Follow the instruction that it is being said by the employer, because these are the people that is going to approve your job. And once you follow the instruction, trust me, your money will be sent to your account. So I've showed you 2 platforms. Number 1 being mymicrojobs.com, where you can earn money by performing simple tasks, and the link is in the description below to sign up and start performing these tasks to earn money. And the second platform is picoworkers.com as well, where you can also earn money by performing simple tasks. This Pico Workers is an international based platform. You earn in dollars. So, and My Micro Job is a Nigeria platform where you also earn in naira. So guys, be sure to subscribe to this channel, because I have so many other videos which I'm going to be dropping very soon, and I'm sure you enjoyed this video. So thank you very much for watching, and guys, share this video to your friends that that want to make money online. So I'll see you next time with another video. Thank you.